Oh my God, I can't believe what's happening. Wow. Well, what's up, guys? Another day here on the homestead, and it's finally quit raining. I don't think we're going to get any today. I hope not, but it is a sloppy, muddy mess around here. But it'll dry up, and we'll be crying for rain by the time summer gets here. And that's the way it goes. You either got mud or you got dry. Anyway, I got something to show y'all. I'm going to have to reverse this camera to show you, but I can't believe my eyes what's going on here. Look at this. Remember the string from the other videos? It's climbed up the string. And it's going on up the pole. That's wild. That's a wild weed right there. But no green beans yet. It's starting to put off some flowers. I think we're gonna have a mess of green beans here pretty soon. I should have did this sooner, but I'm still trial and error. I started to go ahead and put the string all the way to the top. I'm glad I didn't now. But that's looking fantastic. Old sun trying to come out on me, which is good, a good thing. That is amazing. Who would have, I never would have thought he'd climb that string and try to climb the pole too. But I'll give you more updates as I get some green beans on here. I see a lot of blooms, no beans yet. That's gonna be amazing. Okay guys, let's go check out some more stuff. Whew. Look at all this standing water. A sloppy, muddy mess. That's where I'd like to put the garden back there, but it's a low-lying area. I'm gonna have to get some dirt in here to do that. Yeah, here's all the cantaloupes. They're doing pretty good. They didn't drown. Got some jalapeno peppers. It's trying to make some peppers. That's a little one. Got some blooms. What's going on with my peppers here? The heat's getting to them. All this cold. If I can get the peppers in the picture, it'd be better. They're just not doing too great. I need to get that soil tester and see what's going on. This is all brand new soil. Yeah, I'm not going in the greenhouse yet. Well, I guess I can. It's not that hot in here, but something's going on with the plants. Lots of tomatoes. My blackberry bush is kind of dying out in here. I don't know what's going on. Oop, got some ants in here. Habanero plant's doing good. Look at that. I think I'll just eat that one. A little bit tart. I don't know what's going on. Soil's not dry, and it's not that hot up in here. Got a muddy mess right here. It's a low right in here. But I'm using my hands to talk with and moving the camera around too much. It's low right in here. Crawfish holes. More tomatoes to pick. More peppers in here. Wow. Yep. This was volunteering. I haven't figured out what it is yet. Might be cantaloupe, I don't know. It's starting to look like it is. I was hoping it was cucumber. Well, the carrots tops are doing well. This is yellow green beans. I picked a bunch the other day. Everything's kind of fading out quick around here. I think all of this weather from hot to cold has just got everything wondering what to do. I think it's fixing to turn hot and start killing everything. This is some mariachi peppers. That's what that is. Got some more over there. And the soil is damp. I need something to brace them up with. I need to watch Willett Grove's video about pruning peppers. I had no idea how you prune peppers. Got one marigold. There's not much going on in here. Oh, I need more raised beds. What I need. I'd ordered 2 raised beds from Northern Tool back in March and never got them. Let's walk over here in front of the house where Brandy planted all this stuff. It's doing great. Gets morning sun and evening shade. This is them Hungarian yellow hot peppers. Need to find something to prop that thing up with too. They're getting so tall they're starting to fall over. Peppers. She says you're gonna make some jelly out of these. And more tomatoes over here. Got a big one somewhere up there. Need some better fertilizer, that's what I mean. Yep, go up here on the porch. Yeah, you could lose out on growing stuff if the weather's not right. And that's what would have happened if I would have had an in-ground garden that wasn't high enough. It would have flooded and I would have lost everything. And I'm still losing stuff because this weather has been crazy. Cool one day and hot the next day. Humid and not humid. That has a big role in your growing also. I've learned that the hard way. Then floods, then droughts. So, hey, it's still fun and it still helps put food on the table. Not as much as I'd like to, but I need to get my garden area built up so I can grow more food. I just tried the tubs to see how they really work, keep my back from breaking. But I guess that's all I have for y'all today. Hey, we love y'all. Commander Bacon. Got that hat at the meetup. And we do have a video coming out pretty soon. It just takes a while to edit all that stuff since we were so tired and didn't feel like doing it yet. But it will be out by Saturday, I hope. Everybody else is coming out, so we might as well hang into the back. So everybody else can get viewed before ours. Ours won't be as great as theirs, probably. I didn't really feel like videoing while I was there. I wanted to try to meet everybody. But we got some video. And we'll have a few shout outs to who we got to meet. So we love y'all. Please subscribe, ring that bell, and give us them big thumbs up. And we'll do it again. Bye, y'all.